Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in baby products. Today, we're diving into the Dream on Me 3-in-1 portable folding stationary side crib in white, which we're calling the best collapsible crib on the market. This crib is perfect for modern, on-the-go parents who are looking for convenience, safety, and style. This crib is designed with multi-functionality in mind. It features a unique patented rail design that allows it to quickly transform into a changing station or playpen, all in just a matter of seconds. It's ideal for tight spaces and travel, thanks to its compact, one-hand folding system, which makes it easy to store and take with you wherever you go. Whether you're moving it around the house or traveling to a family member's home. This crib is lightweight and comes with dual-hooded safety wheels with locking casters, ensuring that it stays securely in place when needed. Safety is a top priority with this crib, and it meets all the required CPSC and ASTM standards, offering peace of mind. The stationary rail system ensures that the sides of the crib stay fixed, avoiding any risk of accidental drops. The solid birchwood frame gives the crib a sturdy and stylish look, with a clean, minimalist design that will complement any nursery. Assembly is a breeze with the Dream on Me crib. It includes all the necessary tools, and the mattress is included, making setup a simple task. Plus, it offers a 3-position mattress support system, so you can adjust it as your baby grows. With a weight capacity of 35 pounds, this crib will serve your baby well from the newborn stage to toddlerhood. In terms of size, this crib measures 41 inches long, 26 inches wide, and 40 inches high, providing a cozy and secure sleeping space for your little one. The crib is available in 6 beautiful, non-toxic finishes, allowing you to choose the perfect color to match your nursery decor. If you're in the market for a versatile, safe, and stylish crib that can easily be folded and stored, the Dream on Me 3-in-1 portable folding stationary side crib is the best collapsible crib you'll find. It's a great investment for busy parents who need both functionality and elegance in their baby products. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products for you and your family.